Hey, hello everyone. This is Tarun back again. I want to show you a follow up session from our last session on Azure naming tool. And you'll be surprised, I have a cool demo for you, which is not even available in the latest release. It is being internally still being tested and validated, and I actually set that up, that testable code here. And so I'll show you right now. The Azure naming tool is coming up in future, probably. I mean, if it is get approved, with the features which will actually block, which will actually check for duplicate names, and which is very important. So basically, you don't want a naming conflict between the developer, right? And you don't want them, when they are trying to actually apply your Terraform code or any other ISE tool you use at the runtime, it gets, with an error out that, there's a name conflict. And a lot of time, even if there's no even if that conflict doesn't work because of your proper logical grouping of other resources, you still try to avoid a duplicate name in the cloud. It's very important that you have a unique name, and so that you can reference it properly, you can tag it properly. So let's see how it works. So like my previous demo, you go here, and let's go first here. So you have a resource, let's say call this, okay, let's call this, um, this call, resource group, its api dev this. So somebody now try to create the similar one. So you want to create a resource group, let's say. You go back, you select the type as resources, and then you select the type resource group, and let's say you quickly check the naming guidelines. It's 90 character, and then you, let's say, select information technology, you select your, this is an api, and you select your environment. Just I would like to select what was there. It was api dev, and then location is cu, and then just one. Okay, now I would like to create this. Let's see. Wow, the resources type name you're trying to generate already exists. Please select a different one. So at this time, you can basically do is you can say, okay, I want to create second one. So let's do it. Wow, you got the second one. Now you see, go back to this, here you can see second one. So this is what really help, and I feel, and there's a lot of potential to sync this data. And as I was showing in the last video, I think I said something wrong. I want to really point out, folks there, that there is a cool thing called API available. So all the operation you're doing via UI, you can also use via REST API, and you basically literally sync that these details to with anything else like your CMDB or anything. So like you can literally validate your code using unit testing. So like you have what is called um, resource naming request. So you can literally, same thing you can do with an API key. So that's if you have an admin privileges, you can get an API key. Okay, so hope this short video is helpful, and we'll keep talking about Azure naming tool in future. This is super cool, important for your Azure journey. Thank you. Hope you found it useful.